Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to adjust your aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve 21. So let's say you have a video loaded into the timeline right here and you'd like to turn this into something like a vertical video. That way you have an easier time editing it and posting it for your social media pages. So it's really quick and really easy. All you have to do is go through a few settings, a few menus, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on the File button at the top left-hand side of our screen, and then we're just going to click on Project Settings. So here, this should be the first thing that you see, timeline resolution under timeline format. You can go ahead and click this checkbox if you just want to quickly use a vertical resolution. So that just swaps the values around. You can also change these values manually if you want to have a custom resolution. Let's say, for example, the platform you're uploading to only supports something like 720p. That's how you would do it. So I'm just going to go ahead and tick this checkbox right here and use vertical resolution. And as you can see, the video has been automatically cropped out to fit the new aspect ratio. If you'd like, you can also adjust the video a little bit by tinkering with the values here in the inspector or using the transform tool at the bottom left of your playback monitor. So let's say I just want to move this person in frame a bit more. And then now I can add some text and some effects. Then I can upload it to my social media websites. That's pretty much it for this video though. That was how to change your aspect ratio, really quick and really easy. And I'm sure it's something most people should get to know. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.